So what's up, my Flava family? Respect for tuning into another video, and I just want to say big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, large up on yourself to the max. Flava Media Ent TV, really appreciate you all and appreciate all of your thoughts down into the comment section. So no, always remember to drop the comments, them viewers and subscribers. But anyways, coming up in this video, well, basically 2 Chinese nationals were robbed at their business place by 2 police officers, viewers and subscribers. And basically, coming up in other news, viewers and subscribers, a male and a female were abducted from their home by 2 gunmen, viewers and subscribers, and brought to an ATM machine to withdraw money from their account, and then were murdered after, viewers and subscribers. So here what, I want to stay tuned for all of them info the people, but you don't know how we do it already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the videos. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
So people, 2 policemen arrested for the robbery of 2 Chinese nationals in Kingston. And viewers and subscribers, when me really look upon this something, I have to really check and say, Jano, where Jamaica really there right now? Because right now, the country not run good, none at all, viewers and subscribers. These police that are put in place to serve and protect, it's scamming the people them, I kill off the people them, you see me? And I try to manipulate the people them, viewers and subscribers. So basically, 2 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been arrested in connection with a multi-million-dollar robbery of 2 Chinese nationals in Kingston. So basically, viewers and subscribers, the lawmen are facing charges of robberies with aggravation. It's been reported that about 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday, June 6, the 2 Chinese nationals were at their wholesale when they were visited by the 2 police officers dressed in plain clothes. The police officers showed their ID and presented a document that they said was a warrant from the Constant Spring police station for the property to be searched for uncustomed goods. They were granted access to the business establishment. One of the Chinese nationals was led to the family's living quarter upstairs, where a search was conducted. The police officers found and took $8.5 million Jamaican along with US $40,000 from a metal filing cabinet and an iPhone 14. The Chinese national objected and told the officers not to take the family's money because it was to pay for credited goods. The officers reportedly told him the money would be returned and that he should drive behind them to the police station. But as the Chinese national was about to get into his vehicle to follow the policemen, the officers sped off with the money. So basically, the iPhone was then tracked and was found damaged in the Queensbury community in Kingston, viewers and subscribers. And when you look on them sitting here now, viewers and subscribers, what we feel call them police here? Them police here are thief. You understand what I mean? A scammer them. You understand, and every day them a go out and say, yo, them a search for thief and gunman and this and that. And at them something here them a do. You see me I say? And it no look good upon Jamaica none at all, because these are the people that was put in place to serve and protect. But anyways, people, it is just another day in Jamaica again. Because as we tell people, Jamaica is like a big soap opera. You understand what I mean? But anyways, just tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. You understand what I mean? So carrying on to this other video now, viewers and subscribers. So now, viewers and subscribers, the St. Catherine South Police is now searching for one man who abducted a male and a female from their home in Portmore, viewers and subscribers, and brought them to the corporate area at an ATM machine to withdraw $100,000 from different accounts and then bringing back them to Portmore and then execute them, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So basically, the St. Catherine South Police, with the assistance of the Jamaica Defense Force, are still searching for a gunman who, along with an accomplice, abducted a man and a woman and forced them to withdraw money before killing the man and dumping his body. The other gunman was later killed by the police during a confrontation. The police said the male and the female were abducted from their Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine home at gunpoint and taken to the corporate area where they were forced to use ATM cards to withdraw over 100,000 from different accounts. The gunman then drove the person back to Portmore, where they took the male from the car and shot him and dumped his body in Mangrove along the Elcha main road. Viewers and subscribers, you understand what I mean? So basically, a special operation team that was tracking the vehicle in which the gunman were traveling in on Wednesday tried to apprehend the accompanant who led the police on a chase towards the Fort Clarence beach. The vehicle reportedly crashed in the vicinity of the beach. The accompanant alighted from the vehicle and engaged the police team in a running gun battle. One of the gunmen was fatally shot while the other escaped in the nearby mangrove bushes. So basically, Deputy Superintendent of Police in charge of Operation Earl Grant said that the lawman hoped the gunman can provide valuable intelligence. We took him to the Spanish Town Hospital with a view of saving his life because we needed more information on the gang that are committing these types of crime within the Portmore and the Kingston metropolitan area, said Grant. He said no firearms were recovered, but the search continued for the second gunman. Although there have been previous incidents in which robbers forced persons to use ATM cards to get money, Grant said it was too early to say whether this was a new trend. The news team understands that drones are being used by the security force to continue the search for the gunman, viewers and subscribers. And basically, when me I say out of these viewers and subscribers, basically, we never used to even hear them sitting here and say people are go people yard, go take them out of them home, viewers and subscribers, for withdraw them from their accounts. You understand what I mean? And basically, viewers and subscribers, this is not a good thing. And when you see one thing starting in Jamaica, just know that it will continue. You understand what I mean? So me I beg all of the people them to just be wise. You understand what I mean? Always check your surrounding, be mindful of your surrounding. You see me? Because these criminals nowadays are looking new innovative ways to get at people, to get at the law abiding citizens. You understand what I mean? So people, just be vigilant out there. You understand what I mean? And really and truly, I want the police them catch this man, and I want them get down to the bottom of it. Even though you know the Jamaica police not really investigate still, them just talk still. But more I really want them do something about this, because this is not a good thing. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? Because imagine you in your home now, right now, and a man kick off your door, hold your gun point, carry you to ATM machine, for your draw out every single money out of your account, because me and you know that them criminal and I have no conscience. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? But here what I want to do, I just want to leave your thoughts down into the comment section about all of these viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Me know what you think about it. You see me? And basically, just give the video a like. Yeah, just click the like button right now, viewers and subscribers, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm and help YouTube to send it out to a wider audience so other people can be in the know. You understand what I mean? And just remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't know how the thing go. Peace, I'm out.